I recommend a cost-effective handheld oscilloscope to everyone. Functions must be fully equipped. 7-inch multi-touch large screen, a manly body, large capacity lithium batteries, 4 hours of continuous work. Come on, I'll fight it 300 rounds with you. 4 channels, 250 mHz bandwidth oscilloscope. Oh, brother, please don't joke around. Built-in multimeter, recorder function. All left behind. Standard 25 mHz signal source. Big brother. Big brother. Second brother. Third brother. Data logging, trend graph function. You guys come up together. I'm not afraid either. Compatible cell phone charging head. Don't go back on your word. Compact in size, lightweight and portable. What is this? Why can't I find this machine? It's not that hard. I have the right machine right here.